How to set stop loss and take profit on Robinhood. Now, first of all, open the Robinhood app and log in to your account. After that, tap the portfolio icon at the bottom. Choose the stock or picture you want to set stop loss or take profit for. After that, stop on trade button, then tap sell. Now choose order type. So at the top, tap on order types, select the stop order or limit order. So stop order mean sell if the price drops to a certain point, which means stop loss, and limit order means sell when the price rises to target, which means take profits. After that, enter your price. So for stop loss, enter the lower price where you want to sell to prevent bigger loss. And for take profits, enter the higher price where you want to sell to lock in gains. Now, finally, confirm the order. Enter the amount of shares or amounts. Tap review order and swipe up to submit. And this is how to set stop loss and take profit on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.